Number 4, to factorize completely, first I'm going to factor out the GCD, and those three terms have 2x in common. So I'm going to factor it out, and to know what I'm going to put inside the parentheses, I'm going to divide each term by the greater common denominator, the GCD. And I will have x squared. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X squared divided by x is x. Negative 20x divided by 2x is negative 10. Now, I am not done. I'm not quite done here. I end up having a quadratic expression that I need to factor. You've learned that, that's Algebra 1 skill, and to do so, I'm going to take this middle term and break it down into two middle terms, such as their sum is positive 3 and their product is negative 10. And I've got that if I have 5x minus 2x. See, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 5 minus 2 is 3x. Then I can factor by grouping. So the first two terms, I can factor out the x and have x plus 5. And the two next term, I'm going to factor negative 2 and have negative 2 times x plus 5. And if you chose those two numbers, those two coefficients correctly, you will have automatically another common term, and that will be x plus 5 in that case. And if I factor out the x plus 5, I'm left with x minus 2. So that's the most mathematical way to factor this expression. But when it is simple, first of all, I am completely okay with you going directly from here to there to skip all those steps. It is Algebra 2. It's not Algebra 1 anymore. Now, there are some visual ways to do it. Some use a grid similar to this, and kind of reverse engineer the distribution process. And what I'm teaching is the diamond method. So you use diamond because it fits in a diamond like this. You will put negative 10 on top, A times C. You will report the B here, which is positive 3. And then you have two fractions. And on top, you will put AX, which is 1x here. So just x. And you're still going to find those two numbers with the same conditions, and you'll have 5 and negative 2. And you will eventually simplify any of those fractions. And as you can see, the sum of both numerator and denominator will give you the two factors.